When you put side lunges in your training, you tend to solve a lot of mobility issues with your ankles, your knees, your hips, and your lower back. So let's talk about how to get you into a side lunge safely. People tend to be really good at squatting, getting down and getting up. They tend to be good at lunging, stepping forward, stepping back. What we want to add is side step, getting to one side and getting down, 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 down. Couple ways to do this: foot flat on the ground, how martial artists tend to do it. Toe up is how people tend to do it more for mobility. Let's talk about this movement in particular. What we are looking for is to get our glutes all the way down to our heel. This is a normal human range of movement, but in the modern world, we tend not to be very good at it at all. Mostly because we sit down all the time. The best two ways to work on this are kettlebells and clubs. I think clubs are the better one, but they're more rare. So let's talk about kettlebells first. First thing we would like to do is work on hip mobility. Let's start from just seated on the ground and build towards the side lunge mobility. Normal mobility that we're looking for, this is where most people have the first piece of trouble, is getting their knee down to the inside of their hip. Mobility in the hip in rotation. Oftentimes, this is a brain training exercise first, where we work on getting the hip down, not lifting the hip up, but sitting down, down, down. Usually you have one bad hip. For me, it's this one. I have a lot of knee injuries, so every time I go into this position, I feel it in this hip more than anywhere else. This is my good side, don't really feel it at all. Bad side, absolutely terrible. Let's take this idea and extend it into our side lunge position. Let's start sitting all the way down. Take one leg out to the side. We're looking for 90 degrees between these points. Let's take this knee and try to get it down to the ground. Our goal is not to lift our hip up, to drive our hip down so we can have a straight and vertical spine. Lift it up, put your elbow inside the knee, push open, mobilize the hip. Activate it, use the brain to drive the muscle, create a connection. Drive up, push open, touch down, drive open, touch down, drive open. Easy idea, do that for a minute on each side. It will usually start really bad here, and over the course of weeks or months, you will learn to get into this position. From here, we would like to load. Simple idea, pick up the kettlebell, hold it in front of you. Drop the knee down. This allows us to move weight over the hip to drive our hip towards the ground. Loaded stretch. Knee up, elbow to the inside, knee down, lift up, knee down, lift up. Let's set it down. Windshield wiper, side lunge windshield wiper, side lunge with load windshield wiper. Now let's load the bottom of our squat. Then we'll take it to a side squat. Most people have trouble here. They're up really high because they have never trained low. The main problem for most people is the core. Their core doesn't know that they can get down there, so we have to provide the brain with learning opportunities to realize that it's fine down here. Simple way to do it, pick up a heavy object in the bottom of the squat. Kettlebells tend to be the most convenient, but sandbags and other things will work. Set it down. When you pick it up, you are introducing a loaded stretch. Lift the chest away from the bell, set it down, pick it up. Pick it up. Lift the chest, inhale big, verticalize the spine, lean back away from the weight, set it all the way down. Now let's go into the side lunge. Normally people will start standing up, leg out, pick one side to isolate at a time, do a set for each side. Get down low. Normally people are up high. The goal is to get people to pick it up and lean away from the weight. Set it down, deload, introduce load, get down, touch, set it down, pick it up. You're adding load into the stretch position over and over and over again. Over time, the weight will help you get down. As you load and unload, you're introducing loaded stretch. The brain is trying to figure out how to fire the muscles in that position. If you've ever been really, really hurt, your body is asymmetrical, and that asymmetry carries over to all the movement of the other joints of the body. when the joints move differently on one side than the other, over time it creates pain. This is why people have back pain, knee pain, ankle pain. The way that we try to solve that problem is by making the bad side move more like the good side. I have a bunch of zombie parts in this knee, so they'll never move exactly the same, but I can try to make them work better every day. This is my bad knee. You'll notice I'm much higher up on this side and this knee is further forward. When I pick up the weight, it allows me to lean back, back, back away from the weight. Set it down. My body wants to drive this knee forward. When I pick up the weight, I can lean back, back, back away from the weight. Simple idea does not mean easy. Once we've figured out that we can pick a weight up and down in that bottom position, now we're going to stand all the way up. We're gonna go down, set it down, pick it up, and try to drive up. In the beginning, this is really hard for everybody because they're not used to these angles. Standing position, we're gonna move our feet out 2.5 shoulder widths. You're gonna have to play with this distance in the beginning. Let's pick our weight up, heavy part on top, step out, go down to one side, toes point up, set the weight down, pause, unload, reload, drive up, up, up. In the beginning, don't step back, get down, toes up, touch down, pick up, drive up. When you've completed your reps, set it down, take a break, and do the other side. Kettlebells are cheap and they tend to be in a lot of gyms, so it's easy to use them. Clubs actually work a little bit better. Because of the length of the lever, you have to end up with better overall biomechanical position. The length of the lever here is about this far. What's that? 7, 8 inches, as opposed to the lever here, 20 some odd inches. Same idea for all of these movements, but let's skip right to the end. Pick it up. Because the lever is longer, my position here has to be better. When I step out and I go down, I have to have this hand at a more correct height. The longer this lever, the more precise I have to get with the alignment of my skeleton. All the things that hold my body together. When I drive up, I can get more load out of less weight because I have to be more precise on how I load my body. When you are young, you can get away with bodybuilding all day. The older you are, the more horrible stories you have and fun adventures, the more injured you probably are. The smarter you have to become with your training. Kettlebells and clubs are cheap. They allow you to load the body the way it's designed to be loaded, offset center of mass, and they allow you to work on movements, not muscles.